In this video, we are going to unbox the FJDynamics auto steering kit. Open the first box. Take out each component respectively, including control terminal, electric steering wheel, IMU, dust-proof cover, standard components, fixing bracket, and others. Now are opening the second box. Take out each component respectively, including antenna and antenna bracket, satellite feeder 1 and 2, radio antenna, 4G antenna, antenna harness, power bus, smart main harness, angle sensor harness, IMU harness, steering motor connecting cable, sleeve weldment, sucker base. Introduction to FJD auto steering kit. Control terminal. The front of control terminal is screen. The back is ball head to fix control terminal. Power switches on the right side of the top. Multiple connectors for different functions are on the bottom. Electric steering wheel. Steering wheel is on the top. Motor connector on is on the side. Motor is on the bottom to power steering wheel. Attitude sensor is mainly used for measure and transmit the 3-axis attitude information. IMU connector is on the side of sensor. 4 surrounding holes are used for fixing sensor. Dual satellite antenna is mainly used for GNSS positioning. Thanks for watching.